Good evening to our YouTube family. So today I'm just excited again because I've received some accessories for my GoPro Hero Black 12, the one that we have unboxed yesterday. So today I've received this package from Amazon again, so we're gonna unbox it with you. So let me just open it. Yes, so there's some disk, which is the memory card. So this is a 128 gigabytes. It's a 128 gigabytes. You can see it over here, and I bought it on Amazon for almost let's say 17 euros and 50, which is almost 18 euros. That is almost 18 euros. And yes, these 128 gigabytes, it's almost fine. As you can see here, it's written it's fine for some 4K videos. So I've been using this one for a long time, and this is the range mark that I'm always using this. And yeah, I'm recommending this one to each and every one of you. You can try it, it's good as well, because I've been using it for a long time ago. Yeah, so I wanted a 128 again for my GoPro. Most of the time when I'm filming, it's taking, let's say I can film for almost a video of almost 60 minutes, let's say 1 hour and something, and then it's full. So yeah, it depending on which kind of video you want to shoot. So this is the first purchase that I've done for some accessories of the GoPro. So let's put this one here. And secondly, I have this case here, straight away from Amazon, and the range mark is newer. I don't know if this is the right pronunciation, so you can see it here. So we're gonna open this one, because inside here from Amazon, according to what I've seen, it's full of different kind of accessories for the GoPro. So on Amazon it was written that it suits for, let's say, for the GoPro 9, 10, 11 and even 12 too. So it's compatible for kind of all this series of GoPro. So we're gonna just unbox it with you together so that we can discover what is inside of this little box here. So let's go. So the box itself is presenting in that way. It's well made, and it's a kind of tissue, or it's a, let's say, recovery with a nice tissue. I really like it. And yeah, you can just carry it in this way with all your material if you want. But okay, let's just open it inside and see exactly what we're gonna find in here. So let me just put my GoPro beside, and then let's open that. So inside it's in that way. When you are opening it, this is what you will find inside of this little box here, or this little suit, if I can call it in that way, suitcase or whatever you want to call it. So I don't know exactly if you can really see. So these are all instructions in here. So it's written out here that it's 50-in-1 sports camera accessory kits. You can see it. So which means there are almost 50 accessories inside here. You have the head strap, you have the chest strap, you have the carry case itself, and you have the wrist strap as well. You have the mini tripod, you have the floating handle, you have the selfie stick in here, you have the punch, extension arm, okay, even for arm as well you have something. You have around adhesive pads, the helmet, okay, the helmet strap as well, remote wrist. So it's full of accessories, guys. So It's well designed and well explained. So let's put it here. This is the first accessory that you'll find inside here. I think this one will be for if you want to use it for the car, or you want to put it outside attached, I don't know, to something in that way, and you can put your GoPro on top. This one is that the head strap here. Okay, so you can put it in that way and your GoPro will be here, so you can use it with these small accessories of GoPro. And those ones, that one will be here, and the GoPro itself, it should be attached, I don't know, I will try it later, I think in that way. Then you can just wear it like that. But it's really easy, it's not really complicated. So we're gonna just try to put all of them one by one outside so that you can just have a look. But if the usage of these things here, these accessories, they are really easy because you have it on the catalog and it's well explained here. So you can just check in the catalog or just check on internet, Google, or on YouTube as well. So many videos are there for those people that they've tried them already. So you have this little piece here. I think this one will be for, if I'm not wrong, this one will be for a selfie stick maybe. Yeah, these are some small pieces, okay, to attach again to your GoPro. They are really lots. So then oh, this one here, you can put your GoPro on that way. I don't know if you can see. You put your GoPro there, and this one goes to your bag in this way, okay? And then your GoPro can be laying here. These are accessories as well. There are really a lot here, so I can't go through all of this stuff. So whenever you buy them, and yeah, so I don't know, you can see them from the inside, so I can't really just go one by one and try to show you how to work. But anyway, so I wanted just you to have an idea of what is inside of this small suitcase or whatever you call it. This one is for the arm. You can wear it. It has a strap. You close it there and then put your GoPro here, okay? And you can start vlogging. If you want to vlog and talk yourself to the camera, you can put it there and start talking, and you can put it like that and try to film what you're seeing. So this is it. And this one, what's the next? And this is the floating stuff. You put your GoPro here. If you go underwater, and then your GoPro, if you lose your GoPro, and this will help your GoPro to be floating in the water. Then what's next? Then you have this one too that you can just use to maintain your GoPro, okay, so that you can't lose it. This one, I don't know exactly what is it about. And you have this small stuff here. I don't know what are they about, all of this. I think they should be for, oh yeah, kind of adhesive, these ones here. Yes, so I was saying we have this one too. I don't know exactly what is it about. This one is for the chest, as I've explained you before. You can wear it, and this little part here will be in front, and then you can put your GoPro here and start filming what you've seen in front of you. Then here is the famous tripod. Then what else? Video. This one here is for the GoPro. Okay, so some people have been just asking me how to do if you want to put your memory card inside of the GoPro Hero 12. So this is the GoPro Hero 12. So it will be in this way. Look at this, I mean the direction of the name. So if you want to put your memory card, you have just to pull that notch in that way, okay, and then in this way like that, and from here you will find your battery here, okay. You can see that the battery, so then you don't have to pull out the battery. Take your memory card in this way, okay? Then if you can see over here is a hole here. There is a hole where you can just put your memory card. So put it inside of that hole. So let me put it inside. Sorry. So it should be in this other direction. So the name, where it's written, the name of the memory card should be turned on my side. I have just to look at it in that way. So the black side, okay, that one is the one that will go at the front side. So put it inside and just push it in that way. Let me just push it until you hear a small click. You see, it's inside there, and that's all. If you can't hear that click, so it means that it's not well, you didn't put it well. So just close again, and that's all we have done. Yes guys, then last one is the selfie stick itself. It's quite long and it's well done, and I like really the material. So anyway, this is everything that I could show you from this company, which is, I don't know, I can't really pronounce very well the name, just read it there. That's the company that producing this. I really like the material. I spent almost, let's say, 35 euros. So to have all these kind of accessories, I think the price is good, and it's not like I'm gonna be using all of them all the day. I mean, every time that I'm out. So I think I do have some accessories here that I will not be using really every time. So I think all of these accessories can last a little bit for longer. Yeah, and I don't regret for this purchase. So I think it was a good deal for myself, and for the 35 euros that I spent, I think it's quite fine for myself. I don't really know for yourself how is it going to be. And yeah, as always, I'm just asking if there is anyone that's from your side that have tried to buy these, someone who bought this one before, and we were just asking if you do have some negative or some positive comments about the product that we have bought. Just please let us know down below. Just comments, leave us all your impressions. Yeah, that will help us a lot, and this will help some other people that have never bought these accessories, and those people that are willing to buy them too. So it's always just good to leave, you know, your experience according to what you have experiment with any purchase. So that will help some other people before to buy, so that they can just know in which situation are they going to be through. Yeah, so I think I don't have much to say anymore. I'll be asking you as always to share comments, to like our videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.